Hey, I'm Nigel with Nigel & Co. and welcome to 512 Burton Road in beautiful Orland. Quiet, tranquil street. You come in, notice the beautiful hardwood floors, gas fireplace, continue back to the kitchen. Let's check it out. You can even grab your fancy stuff on your way into the kitchen, which is very spacious and functional. There's a giant pantry, big counter space, an amazing dining area that you can entertain and enjoy. You can sit at the bar and chat with the chef. I don't know where the best place to chill out is or not. I don't know if it's off the home office there, off the dining room and kitchen, or is it this amazing window-filled indoor-outdoor living space? I think it's this. And in your lovely rear yard, you have a very convenient shed to store your lawnmower and whatever, and this big, beautiful tree. Nowadays, everybody needs a home office, so one on the first floor is great. There's a first floor guest room and a full bath. The second floor has twin bedrooms, one on each side, separated by a gigantic bathroom. Make sure you open every door because there are closets everywhere. So thanks for touring 512 Burton Road, a charming home looking for your finishing touches in beautiful, quiet Orland, PA.